Hello everybody, I am Anjali and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be about stitching of simple blouse. So in my previous video I told you how to take measurement and cutting of this blouse. In this video I will be telling you how to stitch this blouse. So let's get started. So first I'm going to give stitch to the darts of the back side and of the front side. So these 4 darts of the front side and 2 darts of the back side. So here you can see I have these darts, so I will pick this line like this and then I will give a stitch here. So here you can see I have given darts to all the 4 sides. Now here I am giving darts to the another side of the front part. And give darts to the back side also. We have 2 darts at the back side. So here you can see I have given darts to the back side and to the front side, and it's looking like this. Now I'm going to attach these 2 strips to the front side. So this is 2-inch wide strip. I'm going to attach it here to the right side of my blouse here like this. So this will be attached to the pretty side of your blouse. And give stitch here to the edges. And this is 1.5 inch of wide strip. This you have to attach to the left side of your front part, and you have to attach this to the wrong side. So you have to keep this in your mind. Make sure where you are attaching these 2 strips. This 2 inch will be at the right side to the pretty side, and this 1.5 inch will be attached to the left side of your blouse, to the wrong side. And then give a stitch. So here you can see I have given stitch to both the strips. So I'm going to take this part to the wrong side completely. So this is 2-inch wide strip. You have to take this strip to the wrong side and turn it completely like this. Now give 2 folds. Here you can see how I'm giving the folds, 1 and 2. Give 2 folds here and then give a stitch. And from the front side it will look like this. So here I am giving stitch. So this is done and it's looking like this. Now take the left part. Now just take out this strip from the wrong side and you have to take it out to the right side. Fold it to the right side. So take 2 little folds. Your first fold will be very small like this, and then second fold will come here on the stitch. Just on the stitch you have to place it like this. And now give a stitch. Here you can see give 1 small fold, very tiny fold, and then second fold will come here just on this stitch like this. Here both the strips are attached and it's looking like this, and this will come here like this. Here I'm going to attach my buttons and hooks. Now I will attach back side to the front side from the shoulders. So here my shoulders are attached and it is looking like this. Now I'm going to attach my sleeves to the blouse like this. So first I will fold this 1.5 inch of gap for the bottom part of the sleeves. So just give 2 folds here like this and then give a stitch. And then we will attach my sleeves to the blouse. So here I am giving stitch to the 1.5 inch of gap, and here my bottom part is done. Now I am attaching my sleeves to the armhole, to the blouse. So here my sleeves are attached, and this is the bottom part of my sleeves. This is also done. Now I'm going to complete my neckline. So for that I have this long bias binding strip. This is 1 inch wide strip. So I will fold it from the middle like this, and then I'm going to attach this strip to the neckline. So I'll start from one side and I'll take 1/2 inch of extra strip and I'll fold this 1/2 inch to the back side like this, and then I will attach it to the neckline. So just keep folding the strip and then attach it to the edges of your neckline and end it to the another side of neckline. So here you can see I have folded the strip from the middle, and then I have given 1/2 inch of extra fabric to the strip, and then I'm folding it to the wrong side and giving a stitch. So here you can see I'm going to the back side of my neckline. Here my strip is attached. Now take out this strip like this and take it to the wrong side. Fold it, turn it to the wrong side like this, and then give a stitch and end it here to the another side. So here you can see how I'm giving the stitch. I'm turning my strip to the wrong side and giving a stitch. So here my strip is attached and my neckline is complete. Now I'm going to give the fittings of the sides. So turn it to the wrong side. So whatever the measurement of your sleeves is, take half of it and then mark it here. Now take this point to the straight chest point like this. Join these 2 points and then give a stitch till the bottom part. So I'll start from the sleeves, then I'll go to the chest point, and then I'll go to the waist point. So here you can see I'm starting it from the sleeves. I'm giving the fittings for the sleeves. Now here I'm at the chest point, and now I'm going to the waist point. Here my stitch is done. Similarly, I'm giving stitch to the another side also. Give the side fittings according to your measurements. So here it is done. Now I am giving fold to the bottom part of my blouse. So this is 1.5 inch of line that we have given. I'm folding it, and now I'm giving a stitch to the bottom part of my blouse, and I'm completing this. So here my stitch is done and my bottom part is also complete. So here my side fittings are done and it's looking like this, and this is the bottom side of my blouse. I have given double fold here also. This is also complete, and this is the front part of my blouse. So like this my simple blouse is ready, and it's looking like this. This was very easy to do. This is the neckline, boat neckline. So you can make boat neck for your simple blouse like this very easily. So this is the front part. Here I'm going to attach my hooks and eye. and it will be completed like this. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please give this video a like, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And if you want my tutorials in Hindi, then you can go and subscribe to my Hindi channel, Fashion Updated. Link is in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.